Hey guys, welcome back. So I just wanted to share with you my experience from today. I had a little bit of an interesting situation. Was out at Romeo November Mike today doing some training and some soft field takeoff and landing practice, as well as some short field practice and some forward slips. Well, at least that was the plan. I ended up running into some low oil pressure issues in the C-150 that I'm flying, and ended up getting grounded by the mechanic there at the shop. So anyway, ended up stranded in Ramona with my instructor, and luckily Chin from Civic Helicopters out of Charlie Romeo, Quebec, ended up coming and picking us up in his Robinson. And it was an awesome ride back. Never flown in a helicopter before, and definitely has created a little bit of a niche for me to get my rotorcraft add-on. And so anyway, without further ado, just want to share that video with you today, and hope you guys enjoy it.
Something happening here. What it is ain't exactly clear. There's a man with a gun over there, telling me I got to beware. I think it's time we stop, children. What's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Being drawn, nobody's right if everybody's wrong. Young people speaking their minds are getting so much resistance from behind. Time we stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. A field day for the heat. 1,000 people in the street, singing songs and carrying signs, mostly say hooray for our side. It's time we stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Strikes deep into your life, it will creep. It starts when you're always afraid. Step out of line, the man come and take you away. We better stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Stop. What's that sound? Everybody look what's going on.